Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Rio Cobra water treatment plant. Now this is a very important project in Jamaica. Now Jamaica, or I should say Kingston, has a serious water shortage problem. The two dams in Kingston cannot store enough water to supply Kingston when there's a drought. Kingston has outgrown those two dams. But there are other places in Jamaica that have more than enough water. So the plan is to take water from the Rio Cobre and send it into Kingston. Now, this project is a game changer. This plant that they are building will supply Kingston with 15 million gallons of potable water every day. It's going to solve the water issue in Kingston. Now, this is a big deal because when you don't have water, you have water lockoffs, you get water one day, you don't get none the other day, certain times of the day, it creates havoc. So this project is going to solve that issue once and for all. And Kingston only needs 12 million gallons of water per day. This plant can generate 15 million. So what that means, there is room for more expansion, more developments to take place in Kingston, more. So definitely a useful project. This project is of national importance. So we are going to give you more information on what's happening here. Also, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. The Rio Cobra water treatment plant is one of Jamaica's largest and most important water infrastructure projects, designed to strengthen potable water supply for St. Catherine, Kingston, and St. Andrew. The plant is being constructed at Content St. Catherine and draws raw water from the Rio Cobra River. The project is valued at approximately US 77 million or 12 billion Jamaican dollars and is expected to become Jamaica's second largest water treatment plant. Once completed, it will be capable of producing about 15 to 15.5 million imperial gallons of treated water per day, enough to serve over 600,000 residents across Portmore, Spanish Town, Kingston, and St. Andrew. The plant is intended to reduce chronic water shortages, especially during drought periods, and to ease pressure on aging water sources such as the Hermitage Dam and overused groundwater wells. In past dry seasons, the Kingston metropolitan area faced daily water deficits exceeding 12 million gallons, making this project critical for water security and climate resilience. The Rio Cobra facility is being delivered under a public-private partnership between the National Water Commission and Rio Cobra Water Limited. The private partner will design, build, finance, operate, and maintain the plant for approximately 23 years, after which ownership will transfer to the NWC. The project includes a river intake system with pumps, conveyance pipelines from the Rio Cobra to the plant, a 15 million gallon treatment facility, interconnections to the NWC distribution network. Groundbreaking took place in March 2024 and construction is expected to last about 2 years. When operational, the plant is projected to stabilize water supply in drought-prone periods, reduce water lockoffs in urban areas, and support Jamaica's goal of universal water access by 2030. Alright guys, that's the end of the updates. So we will definitely be giving you guys monthly updates on this project. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.